Step 1. Finding your Lorex system's IP address. Locate your Lorex DVR or NVR's IP address. This is usually found on a sticker on the device itself, often located on the back or bottom. Alternatively, consult your Lorex system's user manual or check your router's connected devices list to find the IP address assigned to the Lorex device. You will need this IP address to access your cameras remotely through a web browser. Note that if your Lorex system uses a cloud service, this step might be different, referring to the cloud access instead. Step 2. Accessing your Lorex system through your web browser. Open a web browser on your computer or other device connected to the same network as your Lorex system. Type the IP address you found in Step 1 into the address bar and press Enter. This will attempt to connect to your Lorex system's web interface. You may be prompted for a username and password. This is typically admin for both unless you've changed it. Consult your Lorex system's manual if you are unsure of the correct credentials. Step 3. Configuring port forwarding. If necessary, if you want to access your Lorex cameras remotely from outside your home network, you will need to configure port forwarding on your router. This process allows incoming internet traffic to reach your Lorex system. Access your router's configuration page, usually by typing 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into your browser's address bar. Consult your router's documentation if needed. Look for a port forwarding section and add a rule to forward the appropriate ports used by your Lorex system. These are usually listed in the system's manual. Step 4. Setting up remote access. DDNS, a static IP. To access your Lorex cameras from anywhere, you'll need a static IP address or a dynamic DNS. DDNS service. A static IP remains consistent, while a DDNS service provides a hostname that updates automatically with your changing IP address. Your Lorex system settings will often allow you to configure a DDNS service. If using a static IP, ensure it's correctly configured with your Internet Service Provider ISP. Step 5. Accessing your cameras remotely. Once port forwarding and DDNS or static IP are configured, you can access your Lorex cameras remotely. Open your web browser from a computer or device connected to the internet, and enter either your Lorex system's public IP address or its DDNS hostname in the address bar. Log in using your username and password. You should now be able to view your Lorex cameras remotely. If encountering issues, check your firewall settings and ensure the appropriate ports are open.